Hey y'all, for those of you joining me again, welcome back, and for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Taylor. So today is a rainy and cold Saturday and I figured I would show you what I eat in a day. It obviously varies depending on the day and how busy I am, but this is what I had today and I hope you enjoy. I love to start off my day with some healthy fats, and I'm using 2 avocados in this video because I was cooking for more people than just myself. But like I said, I love it. I think it's really easy to make and there's not a lot of cleanup, which is definitely a plus whenever you are running behind or just have a lot of stuff to catch up on and don't have time to clean. Then I go ahead and season my avocado with a little bit of olive oil, Himalayan pink salt, and pepper. I'm topping my avocado toast with Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. It's my favorite. I put it on just about everything and I love it. I'm also making a coconut milk yogurt parfait. I'm using fresh berries and almonds, but if you wanted to save on the cost, you could definitely use frozen berries or whatever kind of frozen fruit that you like. Today is a rainy and cold Saturday, so I'm making vegan peppermint hot chocolate. I'm starting by adding 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and I'm going to mix that in with a 1/2 cup of sugar, and then I'm going to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and whisk that together and turn the heat on so it doesn't become gritty. After I mix those ingredients together, I add in 3 cups of almond milk. You can use just regular plain almond milk or vanilla, whichever one. I'm pretty sure this is just plain, but it doesn't really make that big of a difference, but it's just whatever you have on hand. Next, I'm adding in 1/2 cup of almond milk creamer, and this is the peppermint flavor. Then I top my hot chocolate off with some mini marshmallows from Trader Joe's, and these are vegan as well. For lunch, I'm doing a salad, and I cut up some carrots, cucumbers, celery, black olives, green olives, yellow peppers, and I'm also adding in some almonds and tomatoes. For the base of the salad, I'm using arugula and spinach. For my dressing, I'm using Annie's oil and vinegar. I love this one because there aren't a ton of ingredients inside, which I really appreciate. For dinner, I'm making veggie chili, and I cut up a whole onion, a whole tomato, and a whole yellow pepper. I'm adding some vegan butter to my pot and letting that melt down for a while, and then I'm adding in my onions, tomatoes, and peppers, and a little bit of onion salt to season, and sauteing that down just for a little while. Next, I add in 2 cups of tomato juice and let that simmer down for a while longer. Next, I'm adding in 2 cans of tomatoes and then 1 can of kidney beans and 1 can of Great Northern beans. I add in half a pack of chili seasoning. I don't like too much spice, that's why only half a pack. And then I let that simmer down for a while, and I top with corn chips from Trader Joe's and a little bit of cilantro. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any video suggestions, and I'll see you next time. Bye.